we're going to do the rapid method instructions, which says use this method to activate test for surface lead or paint, surfaces, dishes, fine china, pottery, ceramic ware. It also says plumbing fixtures. Said plumbing fixtures is going to be this one right here. It says clean area of any dust or dirt to test paint, yada, yada, yada. So we're going to clean the area. Got a clean washcloth here. And I'm cleaning the inside. That's where I'm going to do the test from. Cleaning the inside there. It says activate a swab by inserting or dipping into the indicator solution. Okay, we're going to do this. I'll set it up where you can watch me. As soon as I figure out how to set up this thing. Okay, there's the, here, I'll put it this way. There's the cotton swab. Here's the indicator solution. Here's me dipping them, and I hope you can see it. I don't know how to set this up where you can see it for sure, so I'm going to do my best. I'm opening the solution. I hope you can see that in the mirror. I'm dipping the cotton swab in the solution. Then it says to gently rub the surface to be tested with the cotton swab. And tip for about 30 to 60 seconds. If the surface of the swab turns yellow, brown, or black, lead is present. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6, 7, 28, 9, 30, 31, 33, 4, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 59, 60. Said if it turns yellow, black, or brown, lead is present.